How to log in into your Home Depot account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Home Depot account. So without any further ado, let's begin. First, open up a web browser. You can use any browser you want. I'm using Google Chrome. After you open it up, search for Home Depot credit card. After you search for it, you will see the Home Depot official site here. Just tap on Home Depot credit card. After you tap on it, this page will open up. Now this is the official site here. You can scroll down and check the right cards, your cards, and you can manage them from here too. Now here what you'll need to do is you will see the login section here. Tap on login. Here you will see sign in or create an account. If you have an account, tap on sign in. If you want to create an account, you can tap on register. Here we'll tap on sign in. After you tap on sign in, this page will load up. Now here you will need to enter your email address. Just type in your email address here, and then after you tap on continue, you will have to type in your password. After you type in the password, you'll get logged in into your Home Depot account. And it's that simple guys, and that is basically how you do that. And that is all for this video too. Thanks for watching. If you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.